Give me your ID.
No.
Yes. You're gonna get tased, sir.
People should always maintain societal norms when outside the confines of their homes. But some individuals are more than willing to break this rule by engaging in aggressive behavior with others and even cops. From someone throwing a temper tantrum
Look at me! Look at me!
to someone fighting with the cops. Here are some incidents where police had to arrest these criminals.
I'm on the loose in these. If you don't cooperate, I'm letting you know now, okay?
The incident is centered around a 70-year-old man. On October 1st, 2023, in Palm Beach Gardens, Florida, police received the news about someone trespassing in the mall. Soon, they arrived at the location to locate the man. Police located the man and asked him to leave. They questioned him about trespassing, to which he denied. The man was also asked about LIC verification, to which he replied negatively. Despite police urging cooperation, the man disregarded their request. Police attempted to remove him, but he resisted, telling them not to touch him. Despite his protest, they apprehended him, eventually handcuffing him after facing some resistance. They then escorted him to the police cruiser, thoroughly searched him, and confiscated his belongings. The man asked the cops for the handcuffs to be loosened, promising cooperation, which they did upon his assurance. Thereafter, he was secured into the cruiser.
Whoa!
Sir, listen.
Get your f***ing hands off of me.
You're not cooperating. We're just trying to
You're not
figure it out.
cooperating. You're not cooperating. Help me. What the f*** you got? Drop it. I would drop you on the floor. Just relax.
We're trying to figure out who you want. And you're not cooperating with us.
Loosen it
This
up.
is why you're going to be detained, okay?
Loosen it
Hear
up.
me out. What's your name? This could be very simple, but you're making this way harder. Okay, no problem.
All right, well, you're going to make it very hard.
Stop. Stop.
What are you doing?
Drop it.
Let go my head!
If you keep moving, it's going to make it worse.
Ow!
Stop.
You're hurting my hand!
Just relax. It's because it's tensing up.
No, I'm not tensing up!
Yes.
Trust me, I'm not tensing up.
Come outside.
What the fuck?
All right, you want to play around.
I'm not
You
playing.
want to play around. This is what happens when you play around, okay?
My neck, I can't breathe. I can't breathe!
My card's open. I'm going to ask you to come on.
Breathe.
It's on my neck.
I don't have your neck. Stand up right there. See what's that's ID? Huh? Have a seat. Have a seat.
I can't sit! You're gonna be real tough.
Here, have a seat. You better don't kick me either.
Nobody's kicking you.
Alright, just have a seat.
You tight on my wrist.
Huh?
Please, loosen a little bit on my wrist.
Are you gonna
Please.
behave?
Of course!
Are you gonna behave?
Of course!
Step out. Step out.
Just please release these a little bit.
I'm on the loose in these. If you don't cooperate, I'm letting you know now, okay? Yeah.
My booty? Oh, that's real nice.
Okay, I'm gonna release this pen.
Okay.
Hold on.
1, I'm not getting that type of pressure at 27 to come back. I've got Delta 520-734-532260.
Just a second.
A female cop informed the man about his violation, stating he would be transported to county jail. She offered him the chance to leave his jewelry with his wife, which he initially refused. After a reminder that he could not take jewelry to jail, he agreed with the officer. While removing the ornaments, he threatened to file charges against a cop. Bleeding, the man demanded to be taken to the hospital, but the female cop explained they could not do that and called a medic for assistance. Eventually, a medic arrived and he was taken on a stretcher in an ambulance. The man was charged with trespassing at a mall and resisting arrest. While the man decided that refusing to comply with lawful orders was a good idea, our next individual thought throwing a punch at a cop was an even better idea. But before that, let's see what happens when someone decides to disobey law enforcement.
You're gonna get tased, sir. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
The incident revolved around a man. On November 5, 2023, in Key West, police officers responded to the call of a property manager regarding two people sleeping in a white car. A white Toyota was parked in the handicapped parking space. The officers came to the spot to check. Two police officers approached the parking space and found two men sleeping inside the vehicle. Despite several attempts, the men did not wake up. Finally, they were waking up after the officers threatened to handcuff them, informing them they were trespassing on private property. After a while, police requested the ID of the man in the vehicle's front seat. He attempted to move, prompting the cop to warn him against it, threatening to tase him and ordering him to place his hands behind his back. The man disobeyed, leading the cop to tase him twice, causing him to fall to the ground. Eventually, the police handcuffed and arrested him, then checked his wallet and took his ID.
Wake up.
Oh.
Give me your ID.
Oh. Oh.
Give me your ID.
Oh. Oh.
Yes. You're gonna get tased, sir. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Don't push me. Hands behind your back now. Hands behind your back now. Taser. I'm gonna tase you now. Get down on the ground. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Turn around, get on your belly, put your hands behind your back. Get on your belly, put your hands behind your back.
Sal, I got your ID. Your wallet?
What's your name?
The cop placed him under arrest. He asked if the man had consumed contraband or alcohol, which he denied. Meanwhile, police handcuffed the other man and conducted a thorough search. The officer declared to the first man that he was arrested for battery on a police officer and resisting arrest. After a thorough search, the police escorted him into the cruiser, read him his Miranda rights, and began questioning him. The man explained they were sleeping in the parking lot because they couldn't find anywhere else to go, so he parked there. Finally, the cop asked if his companion should take the vehicle or if they would tow it. He replied that his companion could take it since he had a driver's license. After that, the cruiser was set to leave for the police station. The man was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer and resisting an officer with violence. As mentioned before, now we will see what happens when someone tries to punch a cop. The incident is centered around a 27-year-old woman named Renee. On July 22, 2022, in Artesia, officers were dispatched to the residence about a female who showed self-harming tendencies. The officers first talked to her mom and then slowly got deep into the scenario, which turned violent at one point. The police arrived at Renee's home and spoke with her mother, who explained that her diabetes caused her mood swings. After that, she showed the officer Renee's behavior health appointment letter on her phone, mentioning a difficult doctor's appointment where Renee cut her hands in frustration due to the doctor's criticism about her history of substance abuse. Renee appeared and refused to go to the hospital, citing mistreatment by medics. When asked about self-harm, she declined to answer. Inside the home, the police attempted to talk to Renee, who refused to engage with them and blamed her parents for her problems. Medics offered to give her a ride to the hospital, but this time she said she would not go to the hospital. Even her mother tried to make her understand. However, Renee stuck to her words. Renee made the final decision not to go to the hospital and went to her room. A cop also came after her and entered her room. It made her furious, and a violent scuffle started between them. Renee attacked the cop, but the other officers came inside, apprehended her, and handcuffed her.
Oh, that's my hand, that's my hand. Her other hand. Oh, no, stay right there, bro. Stay right there. We'll help you. Can you scoot over? No, I got her hand right here. Okay, can you scoot over?
Don't you ever hit these gentlemen.
Police escorted her to the front of the police cruiser and searched her. When they tried to place her inside, she resisted violently. They then offered her the choice between the cruiser and the ambulance for transport. But Renee continued to resist. Eventually, the police restrained her hands and legs and placed her on a medical stretcher. She was transported to the local general hospital and cleared for detention.
Double lock them? Did you double lock? Hold on, come on, hey! Cut it out. Cut it out. Well, we're gonna have to see if Ruffles can transport me. Are we good? 26801. Go. All right, just keep coming, little one. Got it. You want to get in the bus or the car? That's your option. You want to get here? Let's try it again. How about the back? Let's try it.
Hold her up for a second. Alright, so I'm going to swing her legs around this way.
Okay.
We'll sit her up and then sit her up over there. Sound good?
Okay, yep.
She decided to hit the cops. We have ketamine on board. 300. Grab her elbow or armpit, scoot her up a little bit. Watch that wrist.
Can't tell if Bart is laughing or not.
Renee was charged with battery and assault upon a peace officer. While Renee found out the hard way the consequences of attacking a cop, our next individual also quickly found out that she simply cannot hit her roommate without facing any repercussions.
So she's gonna get charge forwarded on her, and you're gonna get charge forwarded on you.
The incident revolved around two women. On 27th October 2023, in Pinellas Park, Florida, police responded to an apartment complex about two roommates fighting and arguing. After reaching the location, they began their investigation. Police arrived at the apartment complex in Pinellas Park and spoke with Alicia, who claimed she carried the knife for self-defense, accusing her roommate of threats to burn her house and harm her. Alicia detailed the alleged abuse, displaying bruises to the officers and expressing her desire for her roommate's arrest. The officer took photos of her injuries and offered witness statement forms to Alicia and her boyfriend Matthew, who declined. Alicia wrote her account, while Matthew described trying to intervene in the altercation, emphasizing Alicia's self-defense with the NIFA. The officers then spoke with the roommate, who claimed Alicia instigated the fight over a dinner date with her boyfriend and accused Alicia of attempting to harm her with the knife. After hearing both sides, the officers read Miranda rights to each party. The roommate denied aggressive actions, but admitted to poking Alicia's face during the argument. On the other hand, Alicia wrote everything on the paper and gave it to the cop. Moreover, the cop also informed her that the woman was also writing the witness statement. The police officer said a charge would be forwarded against her, and the district attorney would look at it and decide whether the charge would stay or not. The woman finished her witness statements and handed them to the police. She was then ordered to stand up and was handcuffed by the cop. After a search by a female officer, she was escorted to the police cruiser and secured inside. The cop informed her that charges would be filed against both parties. When she asked why she was being arrested, the cop explained she was considered the primary aggressor, leading to her arrest.
Perfect, thank you. Alright, can you stand up for me? Alright, go ahead and put your hands behind your back.
Is she being arrested for cutting me?
So we will go over all that here in a second, okay? Alright, do you have anything in your pockets? Just your phone?
Just my phone and...
Okay. We're gonna go over here to this car real quick.
Can I just ask real quick, what are you currently on probation for?
Domestic. Battery.
Oh, I also couldn't. Okay.
Is she being arrested for stabbing, cutting me?
This also will answer your questions.
I'll answer all that here in a little bit. All done? Alright, we're going over here, okay? Not in this car, we're going to the next car. Alright, go ahead and take a seat for me. Alright, so to answer your question about the cut mark, if that cut mark was done 20 minutes ago, you'd have been bleeding pretty bad. That's old.
That just happened. You can look at it. It's
Okay.
It just happened.
Okay, so either way, what's going to happen is charges will be forwarded on her as well. Okay? So she's going to get a charge forwarded on her, and you're going to get a charge forwarded on you.
Being arrested.
No, she's not being arrested, but charges are going to be forwarded on her. It's going to get sent to the state attorney, and the state attorney will make the decision whether to put a warrant out for her arrest or not.
That's why I'm being arrested.
Because you're determined to be the primary aggressor in this instance.
Even though she can't.
I've got Matthew and her. That's two witnesses against you, so it's a 2-on-1 situation right now. Okay, so I mean that's what I got to work with. I'm not saying both sides are right or wrong, but that's what I got right now. Okay.
Is there any way you'd be willing to talk to any of the people that have been in her life that she's done this to?
What happened past like 3 months ago has nothing to do with what's going on
Oh, it
tonight.
was just weeks ago.
That has nothing to do with what's going on right now.
No, it's a reoccurring issue, that's all.
When you speak to the state attorney, you're more than welcome to bring that up.
I'm probably not going to get out because I'm on.
Okay. How long have you been on probation for?
A month.
A month? Okay. All right.
The woman was charged with battery. On November 14, 2023, this charge of battery was dropped by the state attorney and the case was closed. While the woman was at least respectful to the officers, the same, unfortunately, cannot be said for our next individual.
This guy look at me. Stop. 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 I know it is, but just stop.
The incident is centered around a 23-year-old man named Skyler. On 12th of March 2023, in Grand Junction, several officers were dispatched to a neighborhood due to multiple gunshots being heard. Multiple officers soon responded to the call. Police arrived at the scene of the gunshots. Skyler Skylar approached slowly and inquired about the source of the gunfire. The officer informed him it originated from his house, but he denied having any guns there. When questioned how he knew it, he could not provide a clear answer. Despite being asked to step back, he argued with the officers. Later, a woman named Jamie came and told the cop that Skylar was her nephew. Soon after, additional cops arrived, and Jamie attempted to push Skylar away.
I swear, we're not fighting or guns. I swear to God.
You see a gun?
Skylar, let's check, man.
Yeah, I guess this is a gun, huh?
Skylar,
that's a gun.
Oh my God.
You're right.
You're right. You don't have nothing.
Look at him. Come on.
Look at me. Look at me. Oh my God. He don't have nothing. He don't have nothing. Leave him alone.
All right, hold on.
He don't have nothing. I swear to God. He don't have nothing.
Stop. Calm down. We're trying to deal with it, all right?
Okay, yes, I agree. But he is really intoxicated because we started drinking this morning. We went to a movie. I swear, he don't have nothing. I promise you. Why are they doing that to him?
He's being combative. Wait, don't get involved. You'll make it worse.
He don't have nothing.
Okay,
I promise.
I
promise.
understand that. We're trying to work through it, okay?
Oh my God, we're
Just let them deal with it, and I will talk to you. What's your name?
Jamie.
Jamie?
Don't with him though. Oh my God, they're arresting him?
Skylar provoked the cops unnecessarily and was apprehended when he resisted strongly. Meanwhile, Jamie claimed he did nothing and was intoxicated, but soon got into an altercation with the cops. His aunt also became angry, prompting the officer to request her to refrain from escalating the situation. Police asked Jaime about the gunshots. She replied that they were drunk and they did not hear any gunshots. After that, she asked Skylar to calm down.
Now, Skylar, I swear to God.
Y'all see anything else? You
Skylar,
I ain't going to jail. I didn't.
Skylar.
So,
There's nothing.
Help me out here. You're good. Okay.
You see anything else?
Neighbor call.
You see anything else?
Why would a neighbor call and say that they heard 10 gunshots
You
from that address?
Skylar, just chill.
I ain't going to jail. I didn't do
Skylar, just please be quiet. Skylar, look at me. Stop. 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 No, it is, but just stop. No, because we are only in there like me and him are fighting about like
Life.
Okay.
because he's always because he's my nephew. He's trying to take over my business, you know. Well, like we're not. Like I swear to God, we got up, we went to the. Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. Don't.
Where the my glasses? You step on them, you get sued, motherfuckers. Where the are my glasses at? Came off when y'all want to tackle me. Bird, guess what? Gun? Do y'all see a gun?
Doesn't matter.
Do y'all see a gun?
There's no gun right now.
There's no gun ever involved, you dumb.
But you listen to us when we try to work with you. So
No, y'all started this. Y'all the How many black people you shot this month? Huh?
It's all recording, bud. Don't worry.
Yeah, no, I'm asking you. Well, that's why you won't say nothing. Because you try to keep it off the books. Arrest me because I'm a 23-year-old drinking? There's no gunshots that were involved.
We still got out there right now.
There ain't a single gunshot.
Or maybe.
Despite efforts to calm him down, Skylar continued to resist, throwing tantrums and mocking the cops. He repeatedly denied having a gun and attempted to stand up. However, he was prevented by the officers. G-Mate talked about the gunshot with the cop. She told them about her family and children. Her intoxicated state was clearly visible.
I resisted arrest for a bunch of I ain't going in, and I can't see without my glasses. Where are my glasses?
Get in the car.
Put my glasses off first.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
No, you put my glasses in. Jamie, this is a bunch of
Alright, get in the car.
I ain't going in, so I have my glasses.
You go in.
What
we'll
the Okay, you know what? Why are you arresting me for, huh? Resisted? I didn't do anything to be arrested.
Get in the car, bud. Get in the car.
I didn't do anything to be arrested for.
Get in the car, bud. Come on.
Buddy, I didn't do anything to be arrested for!
Sit down. Sit down.
I didn't do anything! Keep hitting me! I didn't do anything!
Get in the car if you didn't do anything, Skyler.
I'm not, I got work tomorrow. I ain't spending my day off in jail.
Okay, just get in the car if you didn't do anything.
What did I do?
And we'll work through this. Listen.
Give me my glasses!
Okay, get in the car and I'll give you your glasses.
No, you give me my glasses right in here. Hey, off! I didn't do anything! There's no reason for them to arrest me! Stop pushing that of my Stop pushing that of my
Get in the car.
What? No, I'm asking what I'm arrested for.
I've been told. Get in the car.
No, give me a reason. I didn't do anything. Give me a reason. All I'm asking for is a reason. Why am I being arrested? Resisting what? You guys trying to arrest me? I didn't do anything. You guys don't have any reason to arrest me.
You need leverage, Corporal?
All I'm asking is why you're arresting me.
You're not under arrest. You're being detained at this moment because of your actions towards officers.
You are under arrest. Don't try to arrest me.
You are under arrest for resisting.
For resisting arrest for no reason? That doesn't make no sense. No, I need a reason. I didn't fire a gun. I didn't do nothing. I don't even own a gun. So all I'm asking, like, I don't understand why I'm being arrested. Why would I willingly be arrested with something I didn't do?
Let me talk to you about it. Swing your legs in. I'll talk to you all you want to.
No, I'm not talking at the place.
That's serious, man. If you want to talk about it, get in the car.
No, I know y'all full of
What, you think I just don't want to talk?
Bro, y'all gonna talk to me every time when I did
I was
nothing.
more than happy to talk to you out here, dude.
And you don't put handcuffs on me.
You gotta listen, man.
So I should just
You're
take
not
the
listening.
handcuffs and go to the station when I didn't do.
Just because you get cuffs put on doesn't mean you're going anywhere most of the time, dude.
Then what the is this
It's
about?
safety, man. I'm telling you.
Safety for not having a gun, you.
Dude, I'm happy to talk about it. Get
No,
some
you're
and
not.
talk like normal people, dude.
Y'all heard a complaint for a neighbor for me and my aunt arguing over business.
Dude. I'd love to hear about it. Sit down.
Well, I ain't handcuffs on my glasses. Why the would I sit down?
I got your glasses, man. I got them safe.
Leave my vape alone.
I said safe, not vape, dude.
Where the are my glasses at?
I got them back
I
here.
can't see.
Good, scoop
Put
back.
them on me first, and then I'll scoot back.
That's not working like that, man.
Well, I ain't scooting back till you give me a vape.
Why?
Because I can't see.
Then scoot back. We'll get your glasses, man.
No, I don't believe y'all.
You ready, Bark? Yeah.
Y'all pieces of shit. Where the are my glasses at now, man?
Sit down, bro.
Where the are my glasses at? Man, y'all are garbage. Lost my phone, lost my glasses.
Look at all your stuff, dude.
What the did I do wrong? You ain't got shit.
Sit back, man.
Man, you. Where am I?
Yo, you want your shades on, man?
What's your reason for arresting me?
Listen, do you want your glasses on?
Yes.
Okay.
Now, where's my phone? Where's my phone? I saw y'all stomping on something. Do y'all stomp on my phone?
Do you want your glasses or not?
Yes.
Here.
The police cruiser arrived, and officers attempted to escort Schuyler inside, but he vehemently resisted and kept his outbursts, citing his need for glasses. Despite his resistance, they secured him in the cruiser, restrained him, and informed him of his arrest for resisting. Eventually, a cop retrieved his glasses and placed them on his eyes. A sergeant appeared and asked Skylar about the incident. He asked him about the event between him and the police. After a brief period, his grandmother came to the spot and tried to calm him down. Skylar's grandma told the cops that he had multiple head injuries. Police offered to bring an ambulance to take him, but she declined. Both her aunt and grandma tried to make him understand the situation, but he was inflexible. Then Skylar was transported to the police station. The cruiser arrived at the station, and the cops escorted Skylar inside. Still, he was defending himself and said that he did nothing wrong.
23-year-old.
What's going on, man? What are we going on?
Literally got arrested for trying to figure out what was going on, and then in trouble for resisting arrest because I won't be handcuffed for nothing I did wrong. 23-year-old is. Am I over 21? Answer that. So I'm 23. Is that over 21? I don't know. Yeah, 23 is over 21. I didn't know it was illegal for 23 to be drunk.
Where are we going? We just trip on what we button up. This side was fun.
He's just going there too.
Going there too?
Drugs, anything like that? Yeah, check for money.
I just gotta get photos of his
check
injuries.
if I fired it
Of his injuries, because he got some cuts from being taken down to the ground.
Yeah, because I wouldn't willingly go down for nothing I did.
What injuries were? I believe he just got some cuts on his knuckles. He might have something on his
No,
leg.
my knee. My knee.
Okay. So, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna have you turn and show him your hands. Come on.
The police officers struggled to take Skylar inside. Skylar was resisting strongly. Two cops put their strength to take him inside, where he was still throwing his tantrums. Skylar was charged with resisting arrest and disorderly conduct. For more thrilling stories about criminals, hit the subscribe button